How to contact Google Support live chat. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can coordinate with one of the specialists or via live chat in Google Support. First is open up your Google web browser and type in Google Chat Support. You usually have a lot of options here, but simply choose on Chat Support Help. Now you will be redirected into Chat Support Help tab, and from here you just need to describe your issue first. So say for example, Google Play purchases. Hit on enter, and then Google AI will provide you a certain article regarding the issue of your inquiry. From here, just simply click this option here that says read more. Then on the next page, you'll see a lot of resources or articles here, or maybe troubleshooting steps for you to fix the issue without coordinating with their live support. You just have to scroll all the way down, and under this box here that says need more help, choose this option here to get personalized support. Now, before interacting with Google Live Chat support, you need to fully understand about their live scheduling first. But if you do already have those information, then what you want to have here is just simply let them know that please connect me through a live agent. And then you just have to wait for a couple of minutes, depending on their queue, for you to be able to get coordinated with their customer service. And that is how you connect with the Google Live Chat support.